I'm going to share with you 3 easy steps that can set you on the path to making money online, and I promise you won't want to miss this. You know, becoming rich isn't as complicated as people make it out to be. In fact, it's quite simple. You see, most people get caught up in the hype and the noise, and they forget that making money online is all about taking action and being consistent. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps that can help you achieve your financial goals and start living the life you've always dreamed of. I've always believed that making money online should be easy, and that's why I've distilled it down to just 3 simple steps. These steps have worked for countless people, and I know they can work for you too. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building the life you deserve, concepts that could change your life. What's the one thing that's holding you back from achieving your financial goals? Is it fear of failure, lack of knowledge, or something else entirely? Whatever it is, I want you to know that it's not insurmountable. With the right mindset and the right strategy, you can overcome any obstacle and start making money online. So, are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Let's get started. Step number 1 is to identify your strengths and passions. You see, most people are trying to make money online by doing things they hate, and that's just not sustainable. You've got to find something you love, something you're good at, and something that can solve a problem for others. So, take some time to reflect on your strengths and passions. What are you good at? What do you love doing? What problems can you solve for others? For example, if you're good at writing, you could start a blog or create digital products like ebooks or courses. If you're good at design, you could start a design business or create and sell digital products like printables or templates. The possibilities are endless. Once you've identified your strengths and passions, it's time to start creating value. And that's exactly what I want to talk about in step number 2. Step number 2 is to create value. You see, most people are trying to make money online without creating any value, and that's just not going to work. You've got to create something that solves a problem for others, something that makes their lives easier or better in some way. For example, if you're good at writing, you could start a blog and create valuable content that educates or entertains your audience. If you're good at design, you could create digital products like printables or templates that solve a problem for others. The key is to focus on creating value, not just making money. When you focus on creating value, the money will follow. This principle is the cornerstone of successful monetization. It's not just about working hard. It's about working smart and ensuring that your efforts translate into tangible financial rewards. It's as simple as that. But simplicity doesn't mean it's easy. It requires a strategic approach and a clear understanding of your market and audience. Step number 3 is to monetize your value. This means identifying the unique skills and knowledge you possess and finding ways to turn them into income streams. You see, most people are creating value, but they're not monetizing it. They might be passionate and dedicated, but without a clear monetization strategy, their efforts can go unrewarded. They're giving away their time and expertise for free, and that's just not sustainable. Over time, this can lead to burnout and frustration, as the financial returns don't match the effort invested. You've got to find ways to monetize your value, whether it's through selling digital products, offering services, or creating membership sites. Each of these methods can provide a steady stream of income if executed correctly. For example, if you're good at writing, you could create and sell ebooks or courses. These products can reach a wide audience and generate passive income over time. If you're good at design, you could create and sell digital products like printables or templates. The possibilities are endless. The key is to leverage your strengths and turn them into profitable ventures. The key is to focus on creating value first, and then monetizing it. Don't try to make money online without creating value, because it's just not going to work. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually do it? Well, that's what I want to talk about next. I want to share with you a few practical tips and examples that can help you implement these 3 steps and start making money online. These examples are not just theoretical. They are actionable steps that you can start applying today to see real results. For example, if you're good at writing, you could start a blog and create valuable content that educates or entertains your audience. Blogging is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and passion with the world. You can write about topics you love and over time, build a loyal readership. You could also create and sell ebooks or courses. Ebooks are a great way to compile your expertise into a format that people can purchase and read at their convenience. Online courses, on the other hand, allow you to teach others through video lessons and interactive content, or even offer freelance writing services to clients. Freelancing gives you the flexibility to work on various projects and with different clients, which can be both financially rewarding and creatively fulfilling. The possibilities are endless. Another example is if you're good at design, you could create digital products like printables or templates that solve a problem for others. These digital products can be sold on various online platforms, providing a steady stream of passive income. You could also offer design services to clients. Working directly with clients allows you to tailor your designs to their specific needs, which can lead to long-term business relationships and repeat work. Or even create and sell online courses teaching design skills. Teaching online courses can be incredibly rewarding as you get to share your expertise with a global audience and help others develop their skills. Again, the possibilities are endless. Whether you choose writing, design, or any other skill, there are numerous ways to monetize your talents and create a fulfilling online career. The key is to focus on creating value and then monetizing it. Don't try to make money online without creating value, because it's just not going to work. I love sharing these kinds of success stories because they inspire and motivate us to take action. I want to encourage you to share your own success stories or tips in the comments below. What's worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? Share your experiences and let's learn from each other. You know, these 3 simple steps have the power to change your life. They've changed the lives of countless people, and I know they can change yours too. So, what's holding you back? Take action today and start implementing these 3 steps. You won't regret it. Remember, making money online is all about taking action and being consistent. It's not rocket science, it's just simple math. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips and strategies. Please check out some of my other videos on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.